Since in the last video we discussed the new trends in the furniture industry, in the next few videos I would like to help you out to realize all the existing and upcoming trends in the furniture industry by using a woodworking CAD/CAM software like SWOOD. Hi, I'm Kunal, marketing specialist at Efficat, and this is the second episode of Café with SWOOD. As the furniture is getting more unique and more personalized, the woodworkers are putting more effort to achieve the demand of the market. Consider SWOOD as the perfect solution for all your needs. SWOOD, if I put it simply, is a woodworking CAD/CAM software from design to manufacturing. We have developed 5 distinct solutions ranging from processes like design, manufacturing, nesting, automation, and even timber framing. These solutions are namely SWOOD Design, SWOOD CAM, SWOOD Nesting, SWOOD Center, and SWOOD BW to help the woodworkers like yourself to realize any wood project. But today, our team is going to tell you what SWOOD stands for in a single word. Let's go.
Flexible.
Complete.
Efficient.
Powerful. Scalable.
Reliable.
Accurate.
Innovative.
User-friendly.
Automated.
So SWOOD finally is its people. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time in Café with SWOOD. Ciao.